Hello everyone! This is Paushta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm going to show you a review of a skirt suit and a coat which we made for Inga. First, I wanted to have a look at the fabrics. These are the blend jacquard fabrics. They have cotton and polyester in their structure. I have a frock coat made of one of these fabrics. It's very comfortable. I love it, so I don't even want to take it off once I put it on. Inga liked my coat so much that she asked me to make a similar one for her. We made it of the black fabric. We also made a skirt and a vest for Inga of the same fabric. The fabrics look absolutely different in the rolls as they do in the garments. My frock coat is made of the dark blue fabric, and the one we made for Inga of the black one. Have a look at Inga. This is an A-line skirt. There is a fly front and a button here on the front. There are also the patch pockets with the round openings here. The skirt reminds me of the denim style. The garments are made of the pretty strong jacquard fabric. It will change its shape a bit after some time. The vest is made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. You can see that it fits Inga perfectly. There is a tight long collar here. It goes to the center front and ends with a button stand. There are also the tiny pockets here on the front. I know that the vest looks pretty simple, but actually it's not. It took the girls some hard work to make it. Inga, turn around, please. I wanted to have a look at the back. All the seams are top-stitched. As I've already said, this skirt suit consists of the A-line skirt and the vest. Don't make such vests too close-fitting. They wouldn't look good in this case. I've showed you the skirt and the vest. And next, I wanted to have a look at the frock coat. Inga is going to wear this vest with different shirts and blouses. This one is actually mine, but it was the only one suitable we could find here in the fashion house. Next, we're going to show you a frock coat. Inga is not going to wear it together with this skirt suit. It will look very beautiful on top of different dresses. Anyway, it's just convenient for us to show you all the garments made of the same fabric together. Have a look at Inga. She has put the frock coat on. I'm sure that every one of you will manage to make such garments. I've already showed you how to move the darts this way. We've also showed you how to make the vents. There is one on the back. This is why I'm absolutely sure that you'll manage to make such frock coats for yourselves. When Inga saw me wearing my dark blue frock coat, she asked me to make the same one for herself immediately. The only thing which is different in the frock coat is the color. This is what an accurate high-quality garment is. The coat is buttoned now. Inga, undo it, please. I went to a restaurant wearing my frock coat. The waiter asked me if I wanted to take off my coat at the entrance. I looked at him and said, "This is not a coat, it's a frock coat." After that, I walked straight to my table right in my frock coat. I want you to understand that a frock coat is different from a regular coat. We are very happy to have such amazing garments in our wardrobes. I'm sure that every one of you will be able to make such frock coats for yourselves. Don't be afraid of experiments, and remember that practice makes perfect. You can make such frock coats of different fabrics. The ones made of jacquard always look good. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We are Paushta and Inga. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.